Welcome to Workright.ca. We are currently on the home page, and I'm going to walk you through the enrollment and registration process. So let's look for a course. We're going to go to e-learning, and I'm going to click on certificate programs just by way of example. And let's just say I want to take this master's certificate in mental health and psychological safety at work. Now, this page will show you some details about what the program is really all about. To purchase, we would click on Add to Cart, we would View Cart, and we would check out. At this point, as a new user, you would register. If you are a returning member, you would enter your username, which you would have set up at your first registration, and enter your password. Today, we're going to register as a new user, and the new user profile requires that you create a new username. So I'm going to call myself a new user, and I'm going to put in my email address and my first and last name and a password. Remember to select your language, and for the purposes of the general public, the branch code that you will enter here is the word transform. Accept the terms of service and register. Once you have done that, you'll be taken back to your shopping cart. And here you can decide you can pay using the PayPal system, but you can pay through credit card or debit card, or you can go to your PayPal account. In which case, what we need to pay attention to here is that check your email, make sure that it is correct. Note that if there are taxes, it will be applied at checkout through PayPal. We will enter a address, and I'm going to have my postal code or zip code. And remember to select a country. And make sure that you save your profile. Make sure you check I agree with terms and conditions and confirm. You will now be taken to your PayPal account where you would type in the email that is attached to your PayPal account and the password to process the payment. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at awong@workright.ca. I look forward to having you on board. Thank you.